If you are an administrator, you can manage employees' holiday entitlements. This includes the option to allocate carry-over holidays. In this video, I'll show you how to update carry-over in bulk. You might want to do this at the start of a new holiday year if some employees have not used up their holiday allowance in the previous year. Note that unused holiday allowance will not carry over automatically. These bulk updates can only be applied in the current holiday year. In other words, you should wait until the new holiday year has started before you upload the approved carryover days to Engage. The easiest way to complete this task is to head to the Reports section and download an annual holiday summary for the previous year. I'm selecting the full completed holiday year, January to December, to see the remaining leave at the end of the year. In this report, you'll see a column for remaining leave days. If you want to allocate all remaining days as carryover, simply upload this list to Engage as it is. Or, if you want to make any amendments, edit the values in the table first. All I need for the upload are the IDs and carryover values. For clarity, I'm removing the columns that are not required and any zero values. Next, I open the Data Upload page in Engage and select Employee List. I find the file on my computer and click to upload to see a preview of my data. I double check that everything looks correct and continue. When the upload is complete, I can see how many rows were updated. If any failed, I can view the Failed Rows export to check why that is, so that I can correct the data and try again. If you want to spot check the results of the upload, you can open the employee profile on the Employees page where the carryover values will now be shown under this year's holiday allowance.